Just tell me if I'm clearly audible and visible and if everything is okay at this end. Okay, fine. Fine, thank you. So once again, a gentle reminder to you all, please rename yourself. Rename yourself. Add your class and section in front of your name and please turn on your video and sit. Okay. So in the previous class, what did we discuss? We discussed synthesis of sentences and I taught you how to join two sentences into one simple sentence. Right? That's what we had done in the previous class. I told of uploading questions, but there was some, I had some problem with my issues with my laptop and there was some technical issues that I was facing, so I couldn't upload it on the last day. I'll do it today. If at all I'm not able to give you the printed typed one, I'll at least write the questions, take the snap, and then I'll upload it in the this thing in your portal. Okay, today by afternoon you will get it. So tell me one thing. So for the topics that we have discussed, do you have any issues regarding those topics? Okay, so I hope you all know that you will be submitting your copies once again for correction on 20th. 20th is the day. So can someone tell me so far what all topics we have covered that I asked you to do in your copy? As far as I remember, the first thing that has to be there in your copy is no sooner, hardly. Okay, Rajanandini, please tell us the topics that are to be there in your copy, as I told after the topics.
Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, first we have done conditional sentences.
If unless, right?
Yes.
Okay. Thereafter, we did subject verb agreement, I guess.
Ma'am, you said not to write about
that
subject.
You don't have to write in your copy. That you need to learn and by heart from your. You need to by heart the rules from your book only. Okay. After that, no sooner, hardly.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. After that, exercise of no sooner and hardly.
Okay. Anything else apart from that?
Ma'am, the paragraph.
Yes. 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 The paragraph writing. Okay. What else? Nothing else.
Ma'am, synthesis of sentences.
Yes. Yes. Okay.
The exercise related to it, synthesis of sentences.
Okay. Now I'll tell you what you need to basically do in your copy out of all these topics. If at all you have not yet copied them in your notebook, please follow the following instructions. For no sooner and hardly, I must have given you the format. How to change a statement from as soon as to no sooner. What is the format of no sooner? What is the format of hardly? I think I gave you the format. No sooner plus helping verb plus subject plus main verb. And before the beginning of the new clause, we have to use than. And the same goes for hardly, but in case of hardly, we are using when. Okay. So here you will write both the format plus the exercise. Both the format plus the exercises will be written in your copy. Same goes for if unless as well. Why? because these things are not that clearly given in your textbook. Transformation things and transformation exercises are not so properly given in your textbook. So you need to mention or you need to write down those notes in your copy properly in detail. Am I clear? After that, paragraph writing. I told you to write a paragraph on the importance of books. Today also I'll take few of you. I may ask few of you to read it out. Okay. And finally, synthesis. For synthesis, you see, it is very well given in your textbook. Okay. How to join two sentences into one simple sentence. For that also by using infinitive, by using noun phrase or a position, by using adverb or adverbial phrase, by using participle, by using preposition plus gerund. All these things are given in your book in quite detail, and I had taken the questions from there only. Examples I had taken from there only. So you don't have to write those rules in your copy. Okay? All you need to do is the exercises that I had uploaded in the portal. When I taught you to join two sentences into one simple sentence, okay, two sentences to join when I taught you how to join two sentences into one complex sentence, after that I uploaded few questions. Those are to be definitely there in your copy. Similarly, whatever questions I'm going to upload today, that also needs to be there. Got it? Any doubt? And apart from all these things, I hope most of you must have already completed it so far. Those who have not, you have only 6 days with you. Please, it is not too much. Okay, I can understand that you are getting works in all the subjects, but trust me, nobody can say that I am giving you all these works together. Okay, these were all given in bits and pieces after every class. Okay, I don't give much of the homeworks to you. So please, I want them in the copy, no matter what. Also, along with this, please come to page number 8. Tell me one thing, just come to page number 74 of your textbook, page number 74 of your textbook. Got that? Okay. Have you done that question? Question number 3. Have you done that in your copy? Yes. Somebody has to speak up. Somebody has to raise the hand and tell me if yes or if no. Tashvi. Amrita, I'll take your doubt after this. Okay?
No, ma'am, we have not written.
We have not done this in copy? Fine. Then this needs to be there in your copy. I'll write it here so that it is easier for you and you can copy it down. Question number 3. Question number 3 at page number 74. Okay? I hope you remember the format. I hope you all remember the format. Fine. Please write it down somewhere in your rough copy or on your textbook, wherever you want to. Okay, you write it down somewhere so that when you are submitting the copy, you cross-check it once properly. All these 5 topics are there. Okay, Ranveer, had any doubt? Where is he? Okay, Adarsh, what is your doubt? Better tell me.
3A part we have done.
Huh?
Question number 3A part we have done.
B you haven't done, no? So you do both of it together again and submit.
Okay.
Okay? And when you submitted it last time, I must have pointed out some mistakes. Okay? Make sure you are not committing the same mistakes again this time when you are writing the notice and email. Okay? Now, Amrita. Yes, Amrita.
Yes.
Can you please give the answers of that synthesis of sentence which you have given in the PDF?
Beta, I think I do not have the questions now with me. Let me check. Let's check. If it is there in my phone, I'll dictate it. Otherwise, okay, it is here. Joining two sentences into one complex sentence, that one, right? Okay, I'll discuss it now. Yes, Winston.
Ma'am, that if else, if unless, what we have to do in that?
What?
Ma'am, if and unless and no sooner hardly what format you can tell.
Format you want once again.
Yes, ma'am, no sooner hardly.
Okay, I'll tell that. I'll repeat that. Okay.
And ma'am, second one, if unless, what we have to do?
You have to write both format and exercises. E is for exercise, F for format. I must have given some format. How to convert if into unless or unless into if. Format in a sense, one or two examples with using one or two examples. I must have explained that. I must have told you the three types of conditional sentences. Type 1, type 2, type 3. Winston, why are you blank? Did I not tell all these things in the class?
Yes, ma'am. And
Type
I'm not.
1, type 2, type 3. Did I teach all these things? Yes, I have. Type 1 is if plus present plus will or shall. Type 2 is if plus. Amrita, what is type 2?
Wait, tell me.
What is type 2, Amrita?
Plus past plus would.
If plus past plus would. Very good. Adarsh, what is type 3? Type 3.
Miss, I didn't remember. Miss, I didn't join that last class. I was having
It
headache.
is not taught in the last class. It was taught so many days ago. And still you are giving the same excuse when I have even uploaded the same class in your portal as well. The recording has been uploaded in the portal. Last time also when I asked you, you gave the same excuse. This is not done, Adarsh. And please mute yourself, Adarsh, now. When you cannot give the answer, mute yourself because there is so much of disturbance at your end.
Ma'am, and question number 3 at page
Wait,
number
Winston, let me first finish it up. Wait, let me see who can answer type 3. Achintya? Achintya?
Yes, if plus past perfect plus would have.
Yes. If plus past perfect plus would have. Okay. Now, whose doubt was I taking? Winston, yeah, go on saying, Winston, what is your doubt?
And that question number 3 at page number 74, that format of email writing and that one, Miss Jyoti has given another, so that I've written.
Arey beta, that was format. Now I'm giving you a question to write.
One question also, another one I've written.
So another one you have written. No, now you need to write this one in your copy.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. See, when we taught you, when the very first time when we taught you notice an email with that quizzed question and all, it was the format given to you. Thereafter, whenever you are doing the questions related to notice an email, you need to follow the same format. So don't go on saying that I have done this, you gave me this, you gave me that. No, please don't give me all these excuses. I have said that this has to be there in your copy, means it has to be there. Okay, Ujjwal.
Ma'am, and the if unless the exercise you are said to do in book. Only the format we have to write of
I
type.
uploaded few more questions, I think, additional questions.
In the book it was given exercise, so you said to do in the book.
Okay, in the book only I had asked you to do that.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 20th you need to submit, right? Before 20th, I think I'll get still 2 more classes with you. Okay, So you never know, if I'm uploading again on Friday, I might give you few more questions related to it. If at all I'm giving you any more questions, additional questions, you need to do that in your copy. Okay. Otherwise, if I had asked you that this will be done in your book. Okay, no issues, but the format has to be there in your copy. Got it? Any doubt? Okay, fine. So somebody just asked me to repeat if, unless, no sooner, hardly. In the last class also, who told me to repeat no sooner, hardly? Somebody told me like that, to repeat no sooner, hardly. Is she here in the class today? Was it, is she here in the class? If you're there, please raise your hand. Somebody wanted me to repeat no sooner, hardly. Anyways, I'll do it now, and it's probably the last time that I'm repeating it. Okay. Hereafter, I won't repeat, at least in this semester. Consider it to be your revision. And those who know, I want your active participation so that the class is more and more interactive. Those who have difficulty, it's my request, pay proper attention here in the class and understand it properly. Have you all taken down this? Shall I erase? Okay. Basically, no sooner and hardly, they are the replacements of as soon as. What are they? They are the replacements of as soon as. So the format that we follow after no sooner and hardly is, after no sooner we follow the verb plus subject pattern. I hope I told you this earlier, that both after no sooner and hardly we are following verb plus subject pattern. So verb means helping verb. So how would you extract the helping verb? I'm giving these options over here. Do, does, did, had. These are the options. Can someone tell me what is to be used where? Which helping verb to be used where? Okay, there are so many people who know the answer and want to participate. Bibhu, will you say the answer? Which helping verb to be used where?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Vita.
Miss, do and does will be used in present.
Okay. Then?
Did in past
Okay.
and had in past perfect.
Very good. That means did in simple past. Okay. And do and does, they are used in present tense. Okay, fine. You can mute yourself. Vibhu. You can mute yourself, beta, and very good. Well attempted. Where is Ranveer? Okay. Ranveer, tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Tell me, do and does both are used in present tense, and how would you differentiate where to use would, where to use does, where to use do, where to use does? Good morning, beta.
Miss, when we are using singular, miss, we use a does, and miss, when we use a plural or something, miss, in a collective noun, we will use a do.
Okay, very good. So after this helping verb, we are supposed to use subject, right? Now, if the subject is singular and in present tense, and the given question is in present tense, then in that case, you will use what? Does. Singular present tense. If this subject is plural and the sentence is in present tense, you will use what? Do. Clear? I hope it is clear with all of you. No doubt. Similarly, if the subject is whether it is singular or plural, but the given question is in simple past tense, you will use what? Did. Similarly, if the statement is in past perfect tense, you are going to use had. The same thing is applicable here in case of hardly. The same, exactly the same thing is applicable over here. Here also we'll have the options like do, does, did, had. Okay, exactly the same way, plus subject. Any confusion up till here? After that, we will complete the first clause. We will complete the first clause. Once you have done that, then before you begin the next clause, at the junction of the first and the second clause, you will use than. In case of no sooner and in case of hardly, you will use when. Understood? Any doubt? Those who have not written the format in their copy, please you can copy it down now. Because it's the last time that I am repeating it before your first semestral examination. Okay? Please copy it down. I'll give you 2 minutes. Written? If you have written, please raise your hand or give a thumbs up so that I understand that you have written, and I'll proceed on to the examples. What about the rest? Aditya Raj Kushwaha, Aditi Pandey, Adarsh Tiwari, Aditya Singh, Akshara Gupta. What happened, beta? You people are sleeping. Abhinav Singh, Astha Gupta, Ayushi Srivastava. Okay, fine. Then I'm erasing it, and you can now lower your hand, and we'll now proceed on to the examples. Okay? I'm just erasing this one. Now let us take down a question. The first question is, as soon as he wrote the letter, he posted it. So what I told you, first you need to find out the tense of the given statement. Ujjwal had raised his hand. Answer only as much as I ask you, okay? Ujjwal, where are you? Please come to, don't raise your hand like that. First, let me ask Ujjwal. Okay. Okay, Ujjwal, tell me what is the tense of the given statement? Answer only this much, beta.
Past tense.
Past perfect or simple past?
Simple past.
Simple past. You need to answer it particularly. Okay. So, the very first thing, those who are understanding it for the first time, please understand it properly. The very first thing that you need to do is, you have to replace as soon as with no sooner or hardly as the question demands. So, here, I'll replace it with no sooner. Or suppose if it has asked, I can also replace it with hardly. The question has asked you to do so. Hardly. Any doubt? So far, I have done nothing so special over here. I have just replaced as soon as with no sooner. That's it. Okay. Now, what was the format told to you? Can somebody read out the format? Anshika Mishra, not everyone. Anshika Mishra. Only she'll speak. Anshika, unmute yourself.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, for no sooner, the pattern is no sooner plus helping verb plus subject, and we will remove the comma and we will use than.
Okay, just wait. Just hold on, Amrita. You said no sooner plus helping verb. Now this helping verb depends upon the tense of the sentence, right? What is the tense of this given statement?
Past tense.
Which form of past, beta?
Simple past.
Simple past. Okay. Now, in case of simple past, what is the helping verb that we use?
Did.
Huh?
Did.
Did. Okay, you can mute yourself. No sooner did. Okay. After writing no sooner plus helping verb, and then we are writing the subject. What is the subject over here? He. No sooner did he. With did and does, we are using the first form of the verb. Please remember this. With did, only verb first form is allowed. Even if by mistake sometimes you write the second form, even if your entire format is correct, you are not going to get the marks. So be very cautious when you are doing such type of questions. Okay? No sooner did he write the letter. Let us complete the first clause. Then this comma is the junction of the two clauses. This comma now will be replaced with than. Then he posted it. I'm not completing the statement. I hope you have understood it. Adarsh, Raisi, Winston, Adarsh, please raise your hand and come on the screen. Understood, Adarsh? Winston? Understood? Okay, fine. Good. And lower your hand. Similarly, let us do this one hardly. Okay, fine. If you have understood Adarsh, Raisi. Adarsh. Yes. If you have understood, change it using hardly.
This question.
Same question, beta. No, as soon as we wrote the letter, we posted it. Rewrite it using hardly.
Hardly did he write the letter,
Okay.
he posted it.
Hardly did he write the letter?
He
No. The comma will be replaced with what? At the junction
Then.
of, huh? Then is used
comma
in
would be
case of
replaced.
no
When.
sooner. Hardly did he write the letter
When he posted it.
Any doubt?
No, miss.
Sure. Okay, after the format, take down this first example. Take it down. You can mute yourself, Adarsh. When done means you can just give a thumbs up and I'll understand. Okay, Adarsh, I understood that you have done. Anshuman, beta, I can only see the ceiling fan. Are you sleeping? I'm not seeing your face. Okay, done now. I hope you all must have written this one. The same example in two different ways. Let us take one more example. Now let us see who can answer the next one. Okay, without mistake. You need to understand what is the difference in the question and you need to answer it properly. Okay. Okay, as soon as he writes the letter, he posts it. Okay, so okay, fine. Joel, tell me the first form using no sooner. Unmute yourself, Joel. I think, yeah, unmute yourself. Yeah.
No sooner does he write the letter.
Wait. You are saying no sooner does he write or writes?
Right.
S will be added or not?
No.
Okay. Write the letter. Then okay.
He posts it.
Okay. Then you can mute yourself, Joel. Siddhi. Tell me if it is correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, it is correct. Why is it correct?
Miss, because no sooner after that here writes is given, then we will write does he write the letter and the comma
Why
will
are we using
then.
does? Why not do? Tell me this one.
Writes that the verb writes has given in present tense, so here we are using does.
Writes is in present tense, but in present tense we have two options, right? Do and does. Why are we not using do over here? That is what my question is. My question, did you understand what is my question?
Yes, ma'am.
In case of present tense, you are saying it is right, that means it is in present tense, your first logic is correct. But then again I would say if it is in present tense, it has got two options, do and then. Can you answer this one?
Miss, because he is used as singular here.
Very good. The next subject is singular. And the singular subject here. Mute yourself, Krishna. Yes. Okay. Understood? Siddhi, understood this one?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. So, no sooner does he write the letter and always write. Since it is does, we are supposed to use the base form of the verb and hence write. No sooner does he write the letter than he posts it. Who can change it using hardly? Where is Winston? Let me ask him. Where is he? Wait. Find him out. Chalo, tell me the answer, Winston. Rewrite it using hardly.
Hardly does he write the letter.
Does he wait? Does he write the letter?
When
Say again.
when he posts
When or then?
when
Okay,
when he
when?
posts it.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Is this correct? Those who have raised the hand, if you think this is correct, you can lower your hand. Okay, very good. Winston, you can also lower your hand, it is correct. So I hope it is clear now. Most of the things are clear in no sooner and hardly. Those who wanted me to repeat it, tell me if you still have any doubt. Winston, do you have any doubt now? Okay.
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine. And those who asked me to repeat it, for your reminder, that there were certain exercises or certain questions uploaded related to this particular topic in your portal. Find it out, and that has to be there in your fair copy. Okay. I had discussed the answers also, I think, here in the class. Isn't it, Samriddhi, for those questions? So, since it was discussed here in the class, if at all you are facing any doubt, any problem, you can ask it to me in the next class. But please make sure you are not copying down the same thing, taking after getting it from your friends. Okay? Practice it yourself. Yes, Samriddhi, what happened?
Miss, with did and does we use base form of the verb. Miss, and with had, which form we use?
Third form. It's all about tense. I taught you all these things so in such detail in tense. That is the reason I first took up that topic tense, because everything thereafter you study is related to tense. Okay? Ranveer, yes, your doubt?
Yes, Miss. Miss, in all the practice papers, Miss, some pictures are given, and it is given to write about it, and it is given here that it should be a clear connection in the picture. Miss, write something, and Miss, the topic goes something off, means, not in the exact paper. Miss, how much marks can be reduced?
That depends how deviated you are. And why do you even want to leave this option to us that you are going to get deviated?
Miss, but all the practice papers are very confusing type to me.
No,
Miss, all the
not at
pictures are
all.
given.
Not at all. You will not get something which is confusing. Not at all. Or you will, what is your idea related to it, you are going to write that. You don't be bothered whether it is confusing for you or not.
Miss, idea is correct, Miss, but here it is given that a clear connection with the picture. How are we
So
writing something?
suppose that a picture shows a bus and scooter has been collided. Okay, and people gathered over there. So what is the only connection that you can draw? Road accident and the chaos created after that. That's it. You need to study the picture well.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay, so I have repeated as soon as and hardly. If unless also, if you want to repeat I'll do that with one example now. Okay, time is already up, so one or two examples only I'll repeat it. Suppose if I'm taking this question, if you touch fire, it will burn you. Okay, this is the given question. Now, whenever you are doing if conditional sentences, if at all you are asked to replace if with unless, always keep one thing in mind, that if is positive in nature, unless is negative in nature. And all these transformations when you are doing, you need to do it without changing the meaning. So without changing the meaning means, if this particular sentence is overall positive, your answer should also be overall positive. So can someone tell me if the statement is overall positive or negative? Siddhi?
Miss, that sentence is in positive.
Okay, fine. You can mute yourself. It is positive. Okay. But the moment I started writing it using unless, as I told you, unless is negative. So you all must have done it. If with one negative I add one more negative, it will become overall positive. Okay. So that means along with this unless, I have to add one more negative word now. So unless you touch fire. First clause, let it be like this. It will not burn you. Unless you touch fire, it will not burn you. How many of you agree to this particular statement? Those who have raised the hand, you can lower your hand if you agree to it. Okay, fine. Mayank, you don't agree to my answer. Rajnandini?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt?
No, ma'am. You've said how many of you agree, so I've raised my hand.
Okay, fine. So, okay. Now this unless and not, two negatives have combined to make it positive. The given question was also positive. Hence, both the answers of both the statements have got the same meaning. So, this is correct. This is how you are going to do. Similarly, questions can be also asked to change you. Questions can also be given to change from unless to if. Please keep this positive negative combination in your mind and then attempt the questions. I have explained it how to do. But apart from this, the previous class that I had taken has already been uploaded in the website. Okay, it's my suggestion, after having gone through this explanation, go through that video. Your concept will be completely clear. Those who are having any doubt related to it. Adarsh, I think, where is Adarsh? Adarsh, you told that you had not attended this class. Now, is this clear to you? Okay. For more clarifications, please do watch that video that has been uploaded. Okay, fine. So that's all for today's class. It was more of a revision classes. So far we have covered quite a number of topics, but there are certain things that we have not covered so far. Today, anyways, I'll be uploading the questions for synthesis in the afternoon. In the afternoon, after all your classes, you will be getting those questions and you can do that in your copy. In the next class, come to page number 87 of your book. 87. I haven't taught you Prezi writing so far. Prezi writing is important. It will carry 8 marks. So please visit or please come to page number 87. Got that? Can you see a passage over there? Comprehension passage. Your homework is you will read this passage and come and sit in the next class on Friday. So that if you have understood it's a very easy passage. If you have understood the passage, it will be easier for you to understand the Pressy writing thing. Understood? Any doubt? Okay. So see you all in the next class when we will be doing Pressy writing. Yes, Amrita, what is your doubt?
Good, Miss, that synthesis of sentences answers I said to repeat.
Okay, fine. I'll take some time and I'll repeat it. Okay? Fine. Let me take some time, 2-3 more minutes, and I'll repeat the answers. First one is strike now, the iron is hot. The answer will be strike now when the iron is hot. Or strike now as the iron is hot is also correct. Okay? Then the monsoon may break out this month, otherwise the wells will dry up. You can join it using if. If the monsoon does not break out this month, the wells will dry up. Okay? Or you can also rewrite it using unless. Unless the monsoon break out this month, the wells will dry up. Third one, Rakesh is working hard. He wants to succeed. Rakesh is working hard because he wants to succeed. As he wants to succeed. Okay? Next one, some girl did this mischief. She is here in our midst. The girl who did this mischief is here in our midst. Anything else that you have written? There can be multiple answers, okay? What matters is it has to be correct. Yes, Tashri?
Yes, I have written, some girl did this mischief while she is in here in our midst.
No, that is wrong. While is wrong here, absolutely wrong. Only who will come. Okay? The next one. He will not attend the party. He told this to his friend. He told his friends that he will not attend the party. He told his friends that he will not attend the party. How many of you have used that over here? Just raise your hand and tell me. That. How many of you did it by using that? Okay, very good, very good. Okay, good. Next one. God is truth. All religions teach this. This also can be joined using that. All religions teach that God is truth. Okay. Next one. Lata is innocent. This is my belief. My belief is that Lata is innocent. Okay. Next one. John is a very clever child. The other children are not so clever. John is cleverer than other children. John is cleverer than other children. Dev, any doubt? Yeah, tell me.
Good morning, Miss Smith. I have joined using John is very clever child, whereas the other children are not so clever. So it can be.
No, it is wrong, beta. It is wrong. David is wrong. Okay. Yes, Mayank, what happened?
Miss, I have written John is clever child while other children are not so clever.
Okay, that is okay. But the fact is, when you can easily join it into a comparative by using comparative degree, why are you not doing so? Okay. Anyways, that is correct. Okay. Next, when it rained very heavily, the crops were damaged. Since it rained very heavily, the crops were damaged, or the crops were damaged because it rained very heavily. The crops were damaged as it rained very heavily. There can be so many possibilities. Rajnandini, doubt? Any doubt?
Ma'am, I have written it rained very heavily, which damaged the crops.
Correct. Adarsh, any doubt? Any doubt, Adarsh?
No, miss.
Okay, fine. Next one. My friend is going to the USA. She wishes to become a doctor. My friend is going to the USA because she wishes to become a doctor. As she wishes to become a doctor, since she wishes to become a doctor. Yes, Adarsh, tell me what you have written.
Miss, not that much. In fifth question, he told his friends that he will be there or will be there.
Will told his friends that you will not change you will not change the tense of the question. Okay.
Okay.
And the last one, the plan won't work out. It is hastily thought out. Because it is hastily thought out, as it is hastily thought out, since it is hastily thought out. Okay. Got it? Ranveer, doubt? What is your doubt?
Miss, in question number 10, I wrote, my friend is going to the USA where she wishes to become a doctor. Where she.
Correct. Okay.
And Miss, another one I have a doubt. Miss, he told his friends why he will not attend the party.
No, reason is not given. He just told that he will not attend the party. Okay, so that is wrong. Yes, Samriddhi.
Please tell the fourth one. Miss, I'm confused in that.
Beta, I have closed that PDF. Repeat the question. You should ask me then and there, no? Read out the question. Read out the question.
Miss, please tell the fourth one. Miss, I'm
Read out the question, Samriddhi.
Some girl did this mischief. She is here in our midst.
The girl who did this mischief is here in our midst. Winston.
Ma'am, 8th one.
Read out the question.
John is very clever child. The other children are not so clever.
John is cleverer than other children. And the last doubt that I'm taking is of Tashvi. Hereafter, I won't take any doubt. It's already late. You need to get rid of
On that 11th one, the plan won't work out. It is hastily thought out. I have written, it is hastily thought out that the plan won't work out.
No, wrong, beta. The plan will not work out. Why will it not work out? Because it has been hastily thought out. So that is the reason it won't work. So only because, since, as, these things will come. Okay. So I hope all your demands, all your queries for the day are clear. Okay. Next class, the homework that I have given you, I am giving you only one homework, and that is you need to read and understand the passage given at page number 87. And then you need to be here for the class. We'll do the Prezi writing in the next class. Okay. So that's it. Let us wrap up. Study well. You can leave the class. I'll take one more. Prabha has got some doubt. Let me see what is his doubt. Yes, tell me.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Miss, I'm having issue in question number 7.
Read it out.
Lata is innocent. This is my belief.
My belief is that Lata is innocent.
Thank you, miss.
Okay, fine. So see you all on Friday then. Okay. And make sure you are again, you are also completing the questions that I'm going to upload today regarding synthesis, joining two into one simple sentence. Okay. Fine. Take care. Bye-bye.